I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. A couple weeks ago, I got this doll for free at a garage sale, and I did a makeover on her. Darren made her the stand, the shoe soles, the charms for the earrings and necklace, and the headband. Well, I wanted more of these dolls. I am in love with them. So I found this girl on eBay, and she came complete. And if you know anything about these dolls, they are not inexpensive, even used. Or to me, they are not. They run $25 and up, and that usually does not include the shipping. And they are usually and up. I bought this one for $24 something, free shipping. So when I saw her, I thought about it, I clicked away, and I clicked back, and I thought, she hasn't been up there very long because somebody would have snatched her up. These dolls sell on eBay. They're not just listed for that price, they're selling. I know because I've been looking at them since, well, actually before I got her, when I got the Rainbow High dolls. This one came, she's pretty clean. Oh, look at that hair. She's pretty clean. Her makeup looks really good. She has her full outfit, both shoes, both socks. I am thrilled. The only thing I'm not thrilled about with these dolls is I think toy companies have kind of stepped over some lines. You know, filling their clothes with slime? With slime? Really? And you're gonna tell kids how to do that? I don't know. So it does kind of look, I'm gonna pull this up and hope you can see it. It does kind of look like maybe at some point, you tell me if you have one of these dolls, is that just glitter or did they actually fill that with slime? That's what it was made for. This outer layer of this skirt, oh, she's got a little panty thing in there to hold the skirt right, which is actually pretty clever. This was made, see the Ziploc? So that it came with slime and you filled this up. Really? I don't know. That's just gross to me. So tell me what to do there. And I think her jacket was the same way, and the shoes, that you added slime to them. Oh, there is no way my mother would have let me play with that. I'm telling you for a fact. Yep, sure enough, they've got this Ziploc here too, so that you could put slime in it. Thank God it doesn't look like this had any. But I wanted to show you that this doll has a full sleeve of tattoos. Isn't that cute? Roses, rainbows, clouds. I'm not even sure what that is. There's a little Care Bear looking something. And then she's got two sleeves, unicorn, flowers, just two full sleeves. How cute is that? And then her little shirt matches. But she is in fantastic shape. I didn't pay a lot. I'm hoping to find the other two dolls in this series. One thing I like and don't like is these dolls can stand alone, and actually Pixie Rose can too. I just like the stability of a stand, because if they get knocked, that's 16 inches before that face hits the floor or table or whatever. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know what you think about slime in the clothes, and subscribe.